What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but I am back doing a voiceover for you guys. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a twist out on my hair. It has been a while. This is literally my hair after pre-pooing, or how do you call it when you just use the conditioner just to wash out my hair from my birthday look. That was the last thing I did, and this is going to be my next look. So as you can see, I add my leave-in conditioner, and I bought this product. I've used this product in the past and I haven't really before, but I saw it in the store and I was like, I know it gives great results with my hair, so I decided to use that. So on my hair, I decided to do a right side part. I wanted when the curls are dried and loose, that it would fall in this direction. So I decided to section off this section of hair and tie it and set it aside for later. So now I'm just going to be detangling the back section of my hair. Inside section, I sectioned my hair into three, that one in the front, and I section the back in half down the middle. So now I'm just clipping that away, combing away each section and parting it. My parts aren't really small. They're about the size that I did for my braids in my invisible cornrow and singlies braids that I did for my birthday. I did all the back section off camera because you guys wouldn't be able to see it anyway. So I'm just doing the front just so you guys can see how I actually do it. Now I had done twist out before in the past, but it wasn't as great. So I figured since I'm going to be doing it again, let me see if I will get better results. That way I can show you guys, because I haven't really been doing twist outs a lot since I've been growing back out my hair, but I decided that the last time wasn't great enough, and I really felt like, okay, let me try doing it again just to see if I would get a better result. And so far it has been going good. My curls or my twist have been looking a lot more even, so fingers crossed that it will look better this time. And you guys can let me know as well if there's anything that I should do or could do just to get a better results. My hair is thin and my curl pattern is questionable, but let me know if you guys know any other products that maybe I could try to do this twist out look with, just to get the curls looking a lot more juicy. And I was really hoping that this style will turn out good, so let's see. Stay to the end to see the results from this style. Round two. So now I'm finishing up with my last little section here in the front, and my curls, especially in the front, the texture in the front of my hair is very, very finicky, but it looked so juicy and I was so happy with how it looked. But as we know, I always tend to be happy on how everything is looking and get overly excited before I see the full results. So first thing I did, as you can see with the spray, that was my heat protecting spray, and I sprayed that over my hair. And I am using my head heater cap thing that I bought from Shein. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the eye. So I'm just attaching my blow dryer to it, and I'm using that just to help quicken the process of drying my hair. Now, as we know, I am a bit impatient using this heating tool because I don't want to sit forever just waiting on my hair to dry. So I tend to end up having wet spots that aren't fully dried, but it felt dry to me even though I had some spots that weren't dry, but it was okay. I used some oil and I pat that on my hair just to help combat the frizzing and to help with anti-frizzing when I am releasing those curls from my twist out. Now I was very satisfied with how my curls were popping. Look at those curls. I was so happy that they didn't look too bad. I realized I didn't show you guys the back of my hair how it looked. Everything did shrink up because, you know, I did just wash my hair, so shrinkage was expected. but I am just loving how the curls were looking, and I was hoping to keep them, so I was trying to be very delicate with releasing those curls just so that I could keep them and the pattern would still be there after I lose all of the twist outs. Now, I didn't go in between those twist outs and open up those curls, because when I did that in my last video, it made it so much worse. So I decided to just twist them out and leave them as is and don't double separate them, if that makes sense. I just left them as is, and I used a wide tooth comb or a big tooth comb, and I just lift from the roots a bit just so that I don't have parts showing and I don't have my roots showing throughout my styling. So I used the comb and just lift that up a bit, and I was just working with my curls, trying to place them, as some of them did shrink up a lot and weren't falling how I wanted them to. As you can see, I'm going in with the comb, as I said, and I just lightly lift it from the root. I was very scared because I didn't want my curls to be messed up. I really liked how they looked and I wanted to keep them just like that. Now that I'm complete with using my white tooth comb to lift my roots, I'm now using my edge control just to put that around the front section of my hair. And I wanted it to kind of look effortless, that I just kind of put my hair behind my ears kind of look, and then I just place the hair over that and add a few baby hairs just to add that final touch to it that I like. While I was trying to do my placement, I decided to do the same for the other section. So I add some edge control again, and again I used that little brush part of the tool, and I kind of brush it up just to give volume. That's what I wanted to give here. I wanted it to look a bit more thicker, so I pushed it back a bit and then I overlaid the hair over it just to see if it would give any volume. And look at my curls, y'all. Look at my curls. I did my thing this time, I think. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. So again, I wanted to add something else. I felt like it wasn't fully complete. I had to accessorize. So I had these hairbands from my Shein haul again, and I haven't used them yet. So I decided to kind of use that to help to accentuate my hair and to kind of give it a bit more placement. So I kind of give it like I was having like a little bang moment going, and my curls that were sticking out, I kind of just retwist them and kind of try to lay them flat. And I was kind of trying to see which headband would work best. This one wasn't laying how I wanted it to, so I went in with a headband that was a bit more thicker, and I decided to go with this one. Now I did have some hair that were a bit frizzed at the end, so what I did was I went in with that hair product that I bought earlier, and I just used that at the ends of those hair, and I just use it to like kind of like twirl my hand around just to get those ends to cooperate. And this is how the back is looking. I didn't want to mess with it too much because again, I wanted those curls to stay, I wanted them to last, but I really did like it. And also let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.